Microsoft has significantly changed the way how customizations can be developed in Business Central. With this change, custom code is not interfering with the standard code anymore. In simple words, it means that base code cannot be modified. But good news is that it still can be extended. New method of code programming implicated multiple changes, sometimes revolutionary, but they affected especially Microsoft partners and not their customers. The project that I want to introduce you is Business Central implementation for Bernard company. Bernard is a part of Raja Group, European #1 packaging supplier. For the time being, Bernard is the biggest project in IT.integro that was fully completed on extensions technology. Bernard is a leader in the hygiene and office supplies industry. In the company portfolio, there are around 100,000 products delivered to 100,000 customers on the French and Belgian markets. Let's go to project details now. We have started Bernard project in December 2018. Previous ERP system in Bernard since 2010 was SAP. Bernard is a group of two entities. Therefore, Business Central was implemented both for Bernard France and Bernard Belgium. In total, over 130 users are working in Business Central today in these two companies. One of the major challenges in this project was data migration, especially because of huge number of master data records like contacts, customers, items, selling references that had to be migrated from SAP to Business Central. In Bernard project, we have implemented significant number of extensions to the standard application. In total, it was over 130 new customizations. Moreover, we have deployed about 70 different interface flows with over a dozen third-party systems. Many of extensions developed for Bernard were big modules that adapted the system to the company processes. Most of them concern the sales area, like for instance sales orders control, back orders management or complaints management, which is used for after-sales services. But also a number of various customizations have been delivered for other company departments like purchases, warehouse and accounting. Big advantage of extensions technology is the fact that existing applications can be easily installed in customers' environment. Examples of such applications are 3 certified IT.integro modules that were also implemented in Bernard project. The first one, Advanced Intercompany, supports and automates intercompany transactions. Master Data Management System allows to harmonize and unify data. And the last one, Electronic Banking, supports data exchange between Business Central and customers' banks. Despite the really wide scope, Bernard project was completed within 10 months, counting from the beginning of the analysis until the go-live. I must admit that the project was a big challenge due to introduced cost programming changes and high complexity of this project itself. But now, we can say that the direction of development proposed by Microsoft is right. The changes are beneficial from our point of view as the implementing company, but what is more important, they are also good for customers. One of major advantages which I find are quick upgrades, resulting from the fact that standard code is not changed anymore, but extended outside of existing solution. Thank you very much for your attention.